In sensitive environments such as electronics manufacturing facilities, cleanrooms, and data centers, the choice of flooring is of critical importance. Anti-static vinyl flooring has emerged as a top solution, providing a range of features that are specifically tailored to meet the unique demands of these spaces. Y.H.F Floors, a China ESD flooring manufacturer specializing in producing anti-static flooring solutions, is your top option. Conductivity Options. Static dissipative PVC flooring and static conductive PVC flooring allow you to choose the option that best suits the specific requirements of your sensitive environment. Wear resistance. ESD PVC flooring boasts wear resistance, ensuring a long lifespan even in high-traffic areas. Selection and design. Offers an outstanding selection of colors and patterns, allowing for greater design flexibility. Heat weldability. ESD anti-static flooring is fully heat weldable, which results in a seamless and hygienic flooring surface. This is important in sensitive environments where contaminants and dirt can easily accumulate in seams, and a seamless surface helps maintain a clean and sterile environment. Electrical decay. ESD control flooring has outstanding electrical decay properties, ensuring efficient dissipation of static electricity. This helps protect sensitive equipment and reduces the risk of electrostatic discharges that could cause damage or interfere with the operation of electronic devices.